guys, have I got a gem for you in the heart of Lake Mary. My name is Jennifer DeVivo with Lotus Door Realty, and you are absolutely going to love this pool home. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, almost 1,600 square feet. And can somebody say location, location, location? The homeowner raised her family here, and it is walking distance to Lake Mary High School, Go Rams, Green Acres Elementary, the library, Green Acres Park. Oh my goodness. And for those of you who want a little bit more, you are close to 3, no less than 3 town centers. You have got Griffin Farms right down the road with food and dancing. You have got downtown Lake Mary a few minutes down the road with its farmers market every Saturday morning. And my personal favorite, Sanford Historic Center with its 5-mile river walk. And I know you're wondering, well, Jen, how far is it away from all of the roads? You're only a few minutes from I-4, the 417, and the Sunrail. So let's take a look. So what did you like best? Was it that cozy fireplace? Was it the vaulted ceilings? Was it the fact that you get a family room and a living room and a dining room and an eat-in kitchen? And of course, look at guys, this amazing pool. So you don't want to miss this home in person. The videos and the photography, although they're great, do not do this home justice. Look on realtor.com, look on Zillow. We're going to be having open houses during the weekend so you can come and see this home with your family. And don't forget to subscribe and follow for more videos like this. Also our community videos and my real estate advice. And in this particular video, since you stayed to the end, there is an actual brochure in terms of a home buyer's guide to Lake Mary and a link to my video, Why Move to Lake Mary. So we'll see you on the next video, guys.